Next, we'll create an agent by going to the Studio tab and Agent, and we can fill out these fields here. Or again, we can ask Annie, generate a blog gen agent, and have her do it for us. So she filled out all this information for us. We can give it a category. It's got the default AI provider. We can choose the different models or provider here. It's got the description. It's got the tools and workflows that the agent's allowed to use. And once it's ready, you can click Create Agent up here at the top. Once you create an agent, it'll show up in your library. So we can go ahead and go there. You'll see that we've got the workflows. So any workflow that you have created will show up in the library. And you can click on the workflows to edit or start. You can also publish to the marketplace or delete the workflow. You can see any that are active or any that have failed or any others. So that's the workflows. The agents that you have created will show up under your library as well. And when you click in on an agent, you can click an agent and it'll pop up its details panel. And you can actually see what tools and workflows and resources and configurations that it has. And you can directly chat with that agent. Agents can work agent to agent. They can work within workflows. They can run workflows themselves. They're pretty dynamic. So this is the agents page. And that's how you create them and find them.